Hey guys, happy Friday. We're here for another Friday Facebook Live. I'm Dr. Jennifer Greer. I'm a plastic surgeon in Cleveland, Ohio. And obviously you found my Facebook site, but did you know I'm also on Instagram? You can find me there at Jennifer Greer MD, all one word, no punctuation. All right guys, have you ever wondered what happens if you gain weight after a tummy tuck? Stick around, that's what we're talking about today. I have a lot of patients who come in for tummy tucks. That's kind of my jam, right? I love the whole mommy makeover, doing a breast lift or augmentation or reduction, and then getting that tummy flat either with liposuction or cool sculpting or a tummy tuck, basically reversing everything our kids did to us. But a lot of people ask me what happens if they gain weight after a tummy tuck. So, tummy tucks remove extra skin and they tighten the abdominal muscles. And when you gain weight afterward, there are a couple different effects it can have. First off, it kind of depends on where the fat goes. If it's just under the skin, you can liposuction it away. But if you have intra-abdominal fat, that's the fat that's around your internal organs, also called visceral fat, that's going to make your abdomen more round. That's what gives guys a beer belly. They get more visceral fat. It's also going to stretch out that diastasis repair. So where your muscles were stretched and I repair them back as part of the tummy tuck, that will stretch back out if you gain a significant amount of weight. Now, if you gain like 10 or 15 pounds, obviously you'll notice it, but it's not going to undo the whole tummy tuck. If you gain 40 or 50 though, it can undo that muscle repair and stretch your skin out a little bit. Now obviously if you get pregnant, it can undo the results pretty dramatically. Sometimes stuff shrinks up again though. It's just hard to tell. It's a little unpredictable. So ideally, if you want to maintain results of a tummy tuck, you want your weight to be stable. That being said, I've seen patients, 10 or 20 years down the road after a tummy tuck, and they've gained some weight and their tummy is still proportionally flatter than it would have been. The excess skin is still gone, and it's still flatter than it would have been without a tummy tuck. So you can still tell there are still benefits, even if you gain some weight afterward. I love to get questions from you guys, so check out our graphic asking for questions every Wednesday and Thursday. And also, did you guys know I have a podcast? Did you know that? I totally do. It's actually not about plastic surgery per se. My podcast is called The Science of Self-Help, and I talk about the science behind different self-help topics. I love self-help books. I love reading them. But a lot of that stuff, it's like, where do these recommendations come from? Is there any evidence behind that? So I've explored a lot of different topics, everything from weight loss to getting out of debt to potty training your kids even. If you want to check out the podcast, just look for Science of Self-Help wherever you listen to podcasts, or you can go to scienceofselfhelppodcast.com, and I'll link to that in the comments. Until next week, you guys take care and have a fantastic weekend.